I'm going to show you a recipe on how to make a delicious salt-free hot sauce using 2 ingredients. We're going to use a cayenne pepper powder and white vinegar. We're going to reuse an old bottle. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of the cayenne pepper powder. And this bottle holds a cup and 2/3. And that's what we're going to fill in with the vinegar. We're going to put our lid on. And you're going to shake. Make sure there's nothing at the bottom. And you can use it. This is a bottle I made earlier. As you can see, it's separated naturally. All you'll need to do is just give it a shake. And then you can start using it again. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like it. Thank you very much.